story of how bee battles destroyed my indestructible tank. So first of all, they added like a machine gun, like that basically looks like this. Okay, not basically, but you know how it gets like. It looks like this, and it shoots like these yellow tiny little bullets, I think it is, and these are like very fast. If it gets used, it's get like, I don't know, like here some red, and that you can't use it more for a couple seconds. But if you decide to spawn many davon, then you actually like look. Wait, I will have to remove this. If you spawn very many davon, you get like, I don't know, like, imagine this was just about 1,000 of these thingies, of these miniguns. So, and if they shoot all together, these bullets are like this, like this. They're going like, I think that every bullet is like 0.5 damage, and like how many bullets are that? That's like 2 billion bullets, or even 4,000 bullets a second. So that means 2,000 times 0.5. That's about 1,000 damage. And 1,000 damage, rapidly shooting at a second. Like my tank, my tank looks currently like this. Like, let me just get the cannon here. Kinda looks like this. And here we got some back cannons. So it currently looks kinda like this. Like, then we got the wheels here. So it currently kinda like looks like this. So now I got these like plates that are currently, you know, protecting any bullets from covering the inside, because my wheel is here that controls this turret. Like, I have here some obsidian that controls this turret, so it can rotate, and I don't know. And then I have like, I don't know how many layers, but 2 billion layers here. So, but if the bullets come, and they come like, they come like this, my tank is going to break all of this in 1 second. In literally 1 second. Because all of these, I'm gonna remove this. Because all of these plates are just tiny weaklings, because I don't want to get a cannon shot to get through, or, you know, many cannon shots. Like, imagine just many cannon shots, and I don't want him to get through to my wheel, because then I can't rotate my turret. And if I can't rotate this, it's going to fall off to here. So I don't know how to fix it. It all started yesterday when I was in Roblox, and I just wanted to play like Bitterboard, but yeah, I just wanted to play Bitterboard. I pressed play, my friend joined, and then there was this one tiny robot with 2 miniguns. 2 miniguns. Like 2 of these miniguns. 2 of these. So we were like, wow. Like, wow, what are these? Then we looked into the item shop, and these were like only 150. So around 1,000 would cost like, 100 would cost 15k. So 1,000 would cost 150k. So that's actually pretty very much. But if we just take 100 times 0.5, it's like times 2. It's like, I'm gonna have to just check comment in the comments, because I don't know how many 100 times. And I also forgot to mention these little cannons. They are not cannons, but this minigun shoots like, I don't know, every 0.5 seconds. So it's like very fast. So every time every shot, so every second shot counts at 1 second. So these 2 shots do 1 damage. Do you get it? And these 2 shots do 1 damage times 100 do 100 damage a second. My tank is going to be destroyed like that. Like, yesterday, me and my friend were playing. He had a own map. He did like I don't know. He did like a base, and yeah, he had like these little bunkers here that shot these cannons, and I thought like, oh, okay, I guess I'm invincible, so I can just go right through there. And then these machine guns, I don't know where he placed them, but I'm just going to place them somewhere, like here. They just shot at me, at my tank, like this. Wait, I can't. Like, imagine this is my tank, and they shot at this so heavily. My front armor broke, my back armor broke, and even my side armor broke. So I was basically exposed, like how I did on my showcase. Then I was like, what? What should I do about this? And then I was like, man, what do I do about this? I had no idea, because they were so powerful. They penetrated through my front and back and side armor. So I had no idea. No idea what I should do. But then I realized that these plates were like very thin, and because they do this damage every time, like 2 shots of this are in 1 second. So every time this would like get damaged, get lowered, and then they were through. So my idea was like to do on the side armor, to do some like I'm gonna take something else real quick. Like this, like very big stone or obsidian wall. So wait, I'm gonna just paint this right this. So like if we shot with wrong paint. So like if we shot, it wouldn't be penetrated, so it can get to my wheel to rotate my turret. And because of that, the wheel rotates my turret. It's not my turret will fall off, so I don't have fully control of my turret anymore because it's fallen off, and I don't know, some random person with a harpoon. I'm gonna draw a harpoon real quick. Can steal it like this, the turret, and I don't know, get it, steal it, and I can't get it back. I can't repair it somehow. I can't. So if it's stolen, I can't very much do everything. So then I just have my other cannons left at the back. I got no cannons anywhere. I maybe got like here a cannon, but yeah, I got here a cannon, and I don't know. I don't know what I should do. Like, and they were. Why can't I speak right now? And the machine guns were like shooting rapidly. He had like 2 billion of these. So, okay, not maybe 2 billion because the price would be very high. But, yeah, and I don't know what I should do about it. So I just built these big fat walls because because if they shoot against it, like 2 billion shots a second, it gets about this small after 2 billion shots. So I get to shoot back, and I have still this very little armor plate. So this armor plate protects my whole housing, so it doesn't get on my wheels. And if I okay, yeah, I already heard it. So after, because it's protecting it, it can't really go through my layers of armor to prevent cannons from entering my my how do you call this again? My hole. So I can't, then my wheel is also gone. So like, if one cannon shot hits my wheel, it's like game over. Like my turret fell off or fell. Why can't I speak English right now? Okay, I don't care right now. So this was basically my solution, but because my tank like has way too much materials, like this simple tank costs like, I don't know. Let me think. Think like 10,000 10,000 blocks, because it's just because of the layers of armor, 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 everywhere. I can tell you, like I have like 200 layers of armor of very strong materials, of iron. Okay, not of iron, but out of steel, of obsidian, and out of some plates, like some little things, even gold. But I mean, who has that much gold to fill everything with gold? So, and because it's so expensive, I need to open those bruh. I need to open those thingies that, I don't know. Wait, I gotta catch my breath. Those the purple chest, and because they literally cost. Wait, how much do they cost again? 405, I think, and that's like very much money, very much. So it's really hard to earn. Even though I have a AFK form. Wait, I have to remove this. Even though I have a AFK form that kinda looks like imagine this is just the portals. Even though I have a AFK farm that kind of looks like this. And yeah, but it only gives me like 30. Wait, I might have to redo this. Like 36 per, I don't know, per death. So it will kind of take me more than more than 10 rounds, so I can buy one little purple chest. So if you get me, that's like, I don't know, very much money. So I don't really know how to do something like this. I don't wanna let my PC on and, I don't know, waste some energy, because energy is like very valuable. Well, okay, I can speak that. Like, it costs very much energy right now because you know what's going on, obviously. So definitely cost very much. So holy, wait, I want to get my mouse back real quick. So it costs very much. That would also cost me very much in real life money. You know how expensive and hard to get real life money is? Even though I live in Europe, I don't know if I spoke that right. Yeah, it's pretty expensive. Like if I would be in the USA, I think I would be pretty fine, but I don't think so. And I don't want to waste money for build a boat for treasure. Like, wait, I'm gonna draw this real quick. Wait. I don't wanna give money, or I don't even give it to them. I just waste money like that. Wait, I'm gonna draw this. Yeah, I just waste money like that. So I'm not going to have K farm because it's going to cost me a lot of electricity. And even worse, my parents pay that. So my parents could blame me. So, yeah, I don't really know what to do. I kinda did it, but I mean, I could just do one side obsidian and one side bricks, because obsidian was kinda, I had much obsidian, but not very much. But I have very much of brick walls, so I did it on one side with brick walls and on one side with I don't know, with obsidian. So yeah, like, I don't know, I think obsidian is like 8 and brick wall is like 5. So actually it's pretty weak and it gets even more destroyed. So even though it's good protection, yeah, I mean, at least I got protection, right? So, and if you're building a tank and you encountered these, like, you don't really have any chance. Like, if you have small tank, wait, if you have a small tank and like 2 or 5 cannon shoot, 2 or 5 machine guns shoot at you. Wait, I'm gonna draw this. Shoot at you. Wait. Shoot at you. Like, your tank is going to be penetrated, destroyed, turret gone, everything gone, everything. So I don't know, are these kind of overpowered or not? But I think, actually, yes. But there's only, I don't think there's any way to encounter it, but there's only one way to encounter by literally building your tanks. Wait, I'm a bit by building your tank with wheels here, so they're fast, and because they can, the minigun can only shoot like this. They can't really move to like a cannon to optimize the shot. Like they can't really move. So you basically just have to move a little to the right, and then you shoot them from there. So the cannon gets basically exploded. And yeah. Anyways, it's really hard to encounter these because they shoot randomly. It lags if there are many of them. And yeah. So I wish you luck if you're fighting with these right now. Yeah. And wait, this. And yeah, that was basically the whole story because it's like very annoying with these thingies. Yeah, I hope that helped, and I don't know. I hope I helped you guys to encounter these and tell you guys a story how I found out that miniguns exist. But I think that's fine now. Anyways, bye bye.